Where are my plantain porridge cravers? Where are you guys? Bring your own plate. Our plantain porridge is ready. Mmm, very delicious. Welcome back to Annie's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Today I'll be sharing with you guys the recipe for this plantain porridge. Okay, here I've washed my plantain. It's all well washed. I'll be adding one ripe plantain to it. So I've washed it very well to avoid any dirt transferring into the plantain. Okay, so I'll peel the back and cut it. I'll now set it aside. I'll be using bell pepper. You can see how big this bell pepper is. It's called sweet pepper too. So I'll be using bell pepper for this recipe. I love the aroma it gives in my food. So I'll be blending it with onion and one Scotch bonnet pepper or fresh pepper. I will blend them together and keep it aside. Over here in a dry frying pan, I'll be adding my red oil. I'll add my onion and stir a little so that the taste or the aroma of the onion will integrate inside the oil. I will now add my blended sweet pepper, onion and Scotch pepper. I will stir very well to combine. Stir, 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 stir. Guys, you guys should try this recipe. I bet you will come back to thank me later. Okay? So I'll stir it very well, cover to cook a little. As you can see, our pepper has cooked. So I'll put it aside and now put my pot for cooking of the plantain proper. I've added my plantain. Now I'm adding my fried oil and peppers. I'll be adding crayfish, salt, and just 1 cube of knor for seasoning. I will now add my dry fish. This dry fish will take it to another level too. I'll add water enough to cook. I'll now cover and cook. But I have to first of all stir it well for the ingredients to combine, okay? So it's now cooking. I'm adding my scent leaf. The scent leaf is dry, so I'm adding it now so it will get soft and integrate inside the plantain. I'm testing for salt. I have to add a little more salt. I'll stir and cover to cook. Thank you all my returning followers and my new ones. If you are new to my channel or this is your first time of seeing my video, I welcome you guys. Thank you all. Keep on sharing, liking, commenting, and click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Our plantain porridge is all ready. I hope you guys will try it out. Thank you for watching. Bye.